Welcome to Motor Masters, your ultimate destination for the latest and most exciting automotive content. Today, we bring you an exclusive look at one of the rarest and most breathtaking supercars ever created, the Nissan GT-R50 by Italdesign. This limited edition masterpiece is a fusion of Nissan's engineering prowess and Italdesign's cutting-edge design, making it one of the most remarkable versions of the legendary GT-R. Born as a celebration of both Nissan's 50th anniversary of the GT-R and Italdesign's 50 years in the automotive industry, the GT-R50 is far more than just a special edition. It's a complete reimagining of the R35 GT-R with an ultra-luxurious and bespoke touch. Under the hood, it boasts a 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine that has been specially tuned by Nismo, producing a jaw-dropping 710 horsepower and 780 Nm of torque, significantly more than the standard GT-R Nismo. This power surge is achieved through upgraded turbochargers, high-flow fuel injectors, stronger pistons, and optimized cooling and exhaust systems. But what truly sets the GT-R50 apart is its bespoke design by Italdesign. The exterior features a striking low-slung roofline, aggressive aerodynamics, and an unmistakable rear end with an adjustable active wing. The sleek LED headlamps, floating C-pillar, and the iconic quad tail lights have been redesigned to give it a futuristic yet unmistakably GT-R look. With its wide stance, deep sculpting, and gold accents, this car commands attention like no other. Inside, the cabin is a blend of luxury and performance, featuring high-quality materials such as carbon fiber, Alcantara, and fine leather. The dashboard has been simplified, with a focus on a race-inspired driving experience, while retaining premium comfort elements. Everything about the GT-R50 screams exclusivity, which is fitting, considering only 50 units were ever produced, making it one of the rarest GT-Rs in history. The performance of the GT-R50 is as exhilarating as its looks. With a 0 to 100 km/h time of around 2.5 seconds and an electronically controlled all-wheel drive system, it delivers blistering acceleration and exceptional handling. The reinforced 6-speed dual-clutch transmission ensures seamless gear shifts, while the suspension has been fine-tuned for even better responsiveness and track performance. With a starting price of over $1 million, the GT-R50 is a collector's dream, blending Nissan's legendary GT-R heritage with the artistry of Italian automotive craftsmanship. It's a true symbol of power, exclusivity, and innovation. Stay tuned to Motor Masters for more incredible automotive content, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most fascinating cars.